the shadowland starts to leave, and the moon shines down on the sleepy small town. The critters have all gone to sleep, and the river rolls on through a late summer fog, so quiet and peaceful and sweet. There yet lay idle on the saddles, cowboys court girls sweet, the pies and hot dogs that won't get eaten, and boots pulled off so our tired feet. The tractor shined all the moonlight, the Clydes have pulled their last load, the stars shine above, the night's dark and love. The kids have displayed all their love, and the moon shines down on the sleepy small town. The critters have all gone to sleep. The river rolls on through late summer fog, so quiet and peaceful and sweet. The hum and the thrills and the song of the fair has retired to bed. The air smells of corn and a new word, and an old western song plays in my head. September will soon be upon us, the mountains will chill with cold air. The Stetsons and milking and riding, wait until next year's fall away. The moon shines down on the sleepy small town, the critters have all gone to sleep. The river rolls on through the late summer fog, so quiet and peaceful and sweet.
This one.